everyone, welcome to the Class 26 graduation project presentation. Today we are going to talk about our project, Hack Your Places web application that we created as a class, and this is the graduation project. So we made it finally to the end, and let's get to know our application. I'll do the introduction part, and my other friends will talk about more about the application itself. And I would like to talk about the team. This was the very first project that we worked as a team on as a developers, and I really like this process because having team or being a member of a team, it was really good for me. I think it's a very good advantage, and I believe I found myself as a team player rather than an individual. And I'll show you the team members, my classmates. So this is the team, the developer team who made this application. Now I would like to give words to the my friend Rasho. He's going to take you through the application like an everyday user, so you'll have a better idea what we have done so far with this application and what features it has. Then let's listen, Rasho.
Hi everyone, I am Rasho. Me and my teammates in class 26 built an amazing app. Our application is a small social media network that allowed you to create new places, share it with the other users, and interact with them. First of all, you need to create a new account to use our application. How can you do that? It's very easy. Just click on Switch, sign up, fill your data in, and get your account ready. Otherwise, if you feel lazy and you don't want to do that, you can easily just log in with your Google or your Facebook account. Don't worry, we got your back. Even if you forget your password, you will be able to reset it by clicking on Forget the Password. Now, let's log in and see how our application looks like. Damn! I just logged in with my account, and here in this page I can see the whole users that our application has. If I switch to another page, I can see here in this page I can get the whole places that the whole users created. Here I can get an overview over my places that I create. And here I can see my friend list. I can add a new place if I like, and here I can view my bucket list. So if I go to all users, I can search for a certain user also by clicking. You see I got Denise, and I can do the same for all places. And let's search for something. Let's search for Sint. We got it. I can also rate the place, view it in map to see where it's located. This one is in Maastricht. I can put some comments here, and I can edit or delete my comment if I like. And I can also add it to my favorite places like my bucket list. And view it here to see each place, its details, view it in map, and delete it if you don't like. This one I don't like. And here I can view my account setting and see which changes I can do. I can see my name, email, password, And the places that I need to create, friends list, I can edit or delete my whole account if I like. Here I can receive any new notification that come to my box. As I see here that I got a friend request from Nader, so now I'll accept and get Nader in my friend list. Now I have Nader now in my friend list, and if I go to my news feed, I should see it here. So news feed, I will stay in touch with my friends and get the last news from them, even if they create new places, they become friends with other friends. So I will stay in touch with them. So that was our application. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.
Thank you, Rasho, for this beautiful guidance. Let's have a look what kind of technologies that we used to make those features in the application. So far, we used MERN stack way to create this application. So mainly it uses four main technologies to create a web application. And the first one is MongoDB. It's a database solution. We used MongoDB to store our application data in that, and it's a very good way to do that because it's easily can be integrated to the backend. And second one, we have Express.js. It's a Node framework, but it makes very simple to write server-side code, and it's doing many things under the hood, so you don't worry about them and you focus more on writing the code for your application itself. And then we have React for the front end side of this application. React is a very good technology to making very reactive, as its name speaks for itself, reactive for the user interfaces. So the users will have an experience of mobile-like applications, even though it's not a mobile application, but they will have an experience of mobile-like application using. And then lastly, we have Node.js. Node.js is an environment. It allows you to use JavaScript language outside of the browser. So you can use it to create the backend and yeah, and so these are the four main technologies that we used to create this application. To sum up, Express.js and Node.js we used for the backend, and React for the front end, and MongoDB for the database solution.
Challenges are usual in projects, especially that technological ones. So dealing with them has given us good experience. In our project, challenges started in deploying a real project by using all the technologies we have learned. And a full stack web application was a big word in our minds. But after we attended the online crash course and got a full support from our project manager, everything became linked and clear. Then we started adding the features, and this was another challenge because the new features pushed us to learn new techniques like how to make a search bar, how to use third-party libraries for other social media or reset password or maps, how to make synchronization with database to get the news feed. But by searching and reading documentation for all these APIs, we based it all. Another challenge was when we merging our features. Many conflicts and duplicated code occurred, so we classified bugs and created a new Git branch called Fix Bugs just for solving it. Guys started fixing and committing their changes on this branch until we did it all. And here our cooperation and communication skills were the best practice.
5 minutes later.
In another hand, challenges weren't technical only. Work online was a big challenge also. We faced many difficulties in meeting and communicating, but actually the team was great in passing this. by using best skills of communication and cooperation. Another challenge was that many of us still living in the camp. The poor internet connection there and instability status due to follow up the procedures was a big difficulty to us. Finally, work in team environment was wonderful. This was the first time for most of us, but we learned a lot from that. We learned how to make our work understandable and readable to others, solving problems, cooperation in discovering new techniques, listening and respecting. All these worked well with the team. We had faced misunderstanding in some points, like how to reach our ideas to each other and how can we accept others' idea. But again, by listening and communicating, we passed it all, and now we became all web developers.